All right, welcome everyone. Welcome. So September 21st, if I remember right, I just thought about it. I would have looked it up before the video. But if I remember right, September 21st, we have the Federal Reserve, right, and decision on the rate hikes, right? If I remember right, correct? I'll look it up after the video. But so that's that. Correct me if I'm wrong. September 21st, would that be a date that you would bet on an IPO by pre-ordering right now? It's a gamble. It's a 50-50 gamble, but we have an IPO to cover, and it is going public on September 21st. So let's check it out because technically it should be interesting, but I hate the fact that we have the Fed, so I don't know what to do. But I will tell you my final decision at the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section below how your weekend went. So far today, I did well. I swam in 2 different beaches, not 3, 2. 2 different beaches. I don't know why I went to 2. You could have just went to 1. The sea's the same everywhere. But I swam in the first one with my wife and my kids. Then we went out to eat. Then I told them I want to go swimming again. We went to another one. Yeah, and then we went for coffee. And that's it. Yeah, so the whole day just... And my daughter right now is so tired she's asleep. My daughter, guys, is like Dennis the Menace, and when she falls asleep, it's just, sometimes that's pretty nice. You get to relax a little bit. Parents know me, they know what I mean. All right, guys. So IPO that I want to cover, guys, is Global Mofy Metaverse, and I actually did a video about this company in 2021. This company is a company that provides 3D marketing content solutions for businesses. I don't know what the metaverse part is, but that's that. I did cover them in 2022. I did do a video about them. They were supposed to go public back then, but canceled, and now they're going public, and they're going public with a different underwriter. And in this video also we have updated financial data. So before I continue, join the Discord if you want. Why should you join my Discord? One reason, if you want to join my Discord, is just to see what I trade. Right, so people by joining my Discord have access to what I trade, and they are alerted by me personally live the moment I'm going to buy something ahead of time and so on. Not the second I want to buy, unless it's something that just came up and it wasn't something that I had thought about days before and so on. But ahead of time, you are alerted in my Discord, in the Discord channel called My Picks 2023. I also send posts on Patreon, so you're alerted, and I tell you, hey guys, I'm gonna buy this stock at this price and I'm gonna sell it at that price and so on. People know that stuff, and so far these are my results. 253 stock picks that I made have already been sold profitable. They're gone, all 253. Only 42 open positions, 9 for a loss so far. I think it's awesome. I think it's great. Those are great numbers, right? So if you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Plus, by joining my Discord, you have access to things like dark pool data, quant alerts, live options. The link will be in the comment section below, in the description of the video, also in the about page of this channel. So guys, Beijing, China, that's where this company is located, Global Mofy Metaverse. And like I said, they have 3D content generation for businesses and digital businesses in China. Management is headed by CEO Haogang Yang. If I pronounce it, I probably killed it. And the company offers virtual technology, digital marketing, digital asset development, and they received so far $5 million in investments. What I find interesting in this is that the $5 million investment includes Universe Holding, so that's pretty interesting. All right, so the total revenue of the company, guys, in 2020 was $5 million, 2021 $14.2 million, and just for the first 6 months of 2022, $11.2 million. So the revenue growth is explosive, if it is what it is. That's, according to the SEC filing, that's what it is. So I can't say it's not, but that's what it is. That's that's an explosive revenue. If we look at the gross profit loss, it went from 1.1 to 3.2 million, and the gross margin is on an average of 22%. If we look at the operating profit loss, it went from 518,000 to 1.3 million. Comprehensive income loss goes from 541 to 1.4 million, and the cash flow from operations goes from 1.1 to 1.4 million dollars. Does the company have cash? They do. They have $1.4 million in cash. Total liabilities, $8 million. Free cash flow, negative $914,000. Are they profitable? No, of course they're not. Any $4 Chinese IPO that comes public is almost always not profitable, right? Market cap at 150 million, enterprise value 123, the price to sell 6.9, EV to revenue 5.7, EV to EBITDA 61, and the float to outstanding shares ratio is at 20%. So if it's not profitable, financials are bad, and it's it's an IPO, $4 cheap from China, why in the world would anybody want to pre-order this? Because it is available for pre-order on Weibo for $4, and like I said, it's going public on September 21st, and the ticker symbol is GMM. Why? The only reason why you would pre-order a $4 cheap IPO like that would be, and this is just my opinion, but I stress that people should listen to this opinion. The only reason why you would consider to pre-order this or any $4 IPO is if you thought that it would pop on day one and sell on day one. Don't hold these things, guys, longer than the first day. Don't do that. So with that being said, would I pre-order this? Well, guess what? If we didn't have inflation and we didn't have the Fed and we didn't have a Federal Reserve meeting about rate hikes on the 21st, I would probably have considered that the shares they're going to offer is 1.2 million. Maximum Group is the underwriter. I would probably have considered and said, you know what, the heck with it. I'll put a small order, $400 or $500 pre-order on Weibo, and whatever I get, I think it's going to go up, and I'll sell it on the first pop-up day one and get out. But because the Federal Reserve is going to be the superstar of the week, I don't want to bet on anything, to be honest, for this week coming up. And I certainly don't want to lock up my money in a pre-order on the same day with the Federal Reserve. Now, also, I believe, personally speaking, that this is going to get pushed back. There's no way. It just doesn't make any sense. Why would you go public on the day that the Federal Reserve is going to probably announce that they're going to have another rate hike? It just doesn't make sense. So I think it's going to get pushed back yet again, because like I said, it was going to go public in 2022 and it got pushed back. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and I wish you all the best. Take